Hello, fellow money boosters. Let's talk about something we all crave: financial abundance. It's not a pipe dream, it's achievable with the right tools and mindset. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life free from financial stress? You're in the right place. We're about to embark on a journey to transform your financial life. Many of us grapple with debt, unexpected expenses, and stagnant incomes. But there is hope. The Broke No More program offers a lifeline. It provides practical strategies to navigate these challenges and build a brighter financial future. It's about taking control of your money and creating a life of abundance. Imagine waking up each morning without the weight of financial worry on your shoulders. Let's get started. Many people feel trapped in a cycle of debt and financial scarcity. They work hard, but their money seems to vanish into thin air. This cycle can be incredibly frustrating and demoralizing. But it doesn't have to be your reality. The Broke No More program helps you break free. The first step is acknowledging where you are. Take a deep breath and assess your current financial situation. Don't be afraid to face the numbers. This is the starting point of your transformation. You have the power to change your financial destiny. A budget is your financial roadmap. It helps you track your income and expenses. It allows you to see where your money is going and make informed decisions. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and fall into debt. Start by listing all your sources of income. Next, track your expenses for a month. Categorize your spending to understand where your money goes. Identify areas where you can cut back. Even small changes can make a big difference. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but it can be conquered. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Building an emergency fund is crucial. Section 4. Supercharging your income. Exploring new horizons. Boosting your income can significantly accelerate your journey to financial abundance. Explore opportunities for career advancement within your current field. Consider taking on a side hustle or freelancing in your spare time. Identify your skills and talents. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Turn your passions into profit. Invest in your education and professional development. Acquire new skills that are in demand. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Section 5. The Power Within. Mindset, gratitude, and goal setting. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your financial success. Cultivate a positive and abundant mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve your financial goals. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations and empowering beliefs. Practice gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance. Set clear and specific financial goals. Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and celebrate your progress along the way. You have the power to create the financial future you desire. Section 6. Your journey to abundance starts now. Take action today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small and build momentum. Create a budget, track your expenses, and develop a debt payoff plan. Every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Utilize free resources available online. Connect with a supportive community. Your journey to financial abundance starts now. Take control of your finances and unlock your full potential.